Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's move on to question 18, which is quite a simple question. The lowest energy will be the one which has the lowest frequency or the highest wavelength, that is the radio wave, so D. Then you have visible light, in which blue has a higher frequency and yellow has a higher wavelength, so it will be yellow, B, then A, which is blue, then C. So DBAC will be the answer, which is option 1. If you want to remember between yellow and blue, which is it, how I always remember is there are two terms, ultraviolet and infrared. And generally frequency is the one by which energy is defined. So ultraviolet means higher than violet, which means violet is the high limit in energy for white light. Right? Infrared is slightly lower than red, which means red has to be the lowest energy. Ultraviolet is slightly higher than violet, which is a different domain altogether, a different type of rays. So violet has to be the highest in light, in visible light. This completes the solutions. Thank you.